The REST API connection in Izenda is by far the most versatile connector provided in the platform, as it allows connection to the widest range of potential data sources and services. This video will highlight more complex configurations available in the REST API connector interface. If you have not watched the base REST API setup video, please do so now, as that video sets the foundation for the information in this video. If the REST API endpoint being hooked into can be separated between different tables when alternative paths are provided to the endpoint, we can edit our existing connection to make some changes. If you have an endpoint that returns a list of tables, you can provide more details in the scheme paths section and expect Izenda to parse a list of tables. For the use case we leveraged in the previous video, this particular endpoint has a list of different regions. Now, we can specify the tables in square brackets in a comma-delimited list. Here, we've told Izenda there are 5 different data sources for this endpoint. With this configured, setting a placeholder in the data path section will allow the regions we configured to be dynamically tagged on the end of the URL path. The placeholder syntax in Izenda is a 0 embedded within curly brackets. For our example, we'll end up with this syntax. Now, saving this endpoint will show our singular countries data source disappear and new data sources for each new region appear. By clicking on each data source, we can move them from the available data source column to the visible data source column, and vice versa. This is a very simplistic use case to demonstrate the basic setup and administration of the more advanced features in Izenda's REST API service connector. For the final video in the series, click here to learn about the iAdHoc extension class.